Hi, I'm Matt Blakely, the front of house engineer and production manager for Billy Talent. We're here at Nova Rock. I'm going to give you a little rundown of my front of house rig here using the SSL L100 front of house console, or in my application is front of house. And then in my rack, I'm using some onboard time effects, a lot of the sorcerer plugins for primary source. And then I do a lot of my outboard work, a lot of my vocal chains, drum chain, guitar chain in my racks. So on this side over here, I'm using West Audio Mimas on the kick and the snare bus. I'm using the Bluey and the 551 Neve chain as my bass on my bass group. I'm doing the Avalon 747 on the guitars, on the master guitar bus. I'm using the API on my master drum bus as my parallel. And I've got a distressor inserted on Ian's vocal, John's vocal, and then I have the Shelford channel side chain into the distressor for Ben's vocal. And then on the master side, I'm using the Gain Lab audio, the Dictator, into the Empress. I started with, I kind of got onto the Dictator. This is my first tour with it. I was using the Waves Max BCL as a corrective device. I call it speed trap, but a decibel limit where decibel issues were a thing. And this tour I wanted to really try something that had a little more color and bring a little more punch to the mix, and the Waves one wasn't doing it. I've had it for years. Wanted to try something new. My good friend Bob Strakel, who does Avenged Sevenfold and Slipknot, recommended the Gain Lab product. So this is my 6th show on it, and so far it's really brought a lot of new characters to the into the left-right mix. The Dictator, I'm running at about a 2 dB gain reduction and 2 dB makeup in its high comp mode. It seems to be working so far for me the best. And then the Empress is really where the I don't know, the magic is happening. I'm running obviously the tube boost is in, and just some high and low lifts. And it really just takes the mix and just punches it out. I didn't know how aggressive it was going to be and how much it impacts. I'm mixing into it more and using it as a main chain or a main part of the sound. And as return, I've actually eased up on some of my saturation on my channels and done more of it right across the left and right. So it's been a pretty new and integral piece to the arsenal, really. Also, yeah, and the rest of things, effects, I'm still running my good old Lexicon 480. I know it's crazy to carry them around because they break, but I really, I love it, so I just bring it along. And Bricasti as well, an M7 for our main vocal. So that's pretty much it. And all this product, all of my package here is from Go Audio. I don't know if you got it down there on my Go Audio rentals at Hamburg. Bern Wittenberg's company supplied all this product to me, and they're great, and I've been looking after Billy Talent for the last, I don't know, almost 15 years now. So they are our brothers and good friends that help us out along the way. And I'd like to thank Game Labs and obviously Go Audio as always supplying, and obviously let me play with these nice toys and trying them out. If you're out and about, come see a Billy Talent show. We'd love to see you, love to have you. And yeah, see you on the road.